Did you know it takes new YouTubers that are trying to establish a channel about 150 videos before they start seeing some traction and significant growth and consistency on views? I think I may have a little bit more than that posted, but I am starting to see some significant growth and views. So my name is Steve. This is Wilmer Woodworks, but this is my monetization journey. Let's get over to the numbers and take a look at the analytics for this week. I know it is delayed. Usually I do try to post these on Friday, but I am in Southwest Florida and we did have that hurricane come through. Thankfully, nothing is damaged, just have a little bit of yard cleanup to do, but it does delay the videos a little bit. So I appreciate your patience. Let's get to it. All right, let's look straight at the numbers. So this week, like I said, we are a little late, but I'm going to do these as if they were on the regular, and then we will go into the YouTube studio so I could show you kind of where we are right now because things are exciting. So currently, last week we were at 1,793 views. This week for September 19th to the 25th, we're at 1,468, so down a little bit on that. The watch hours for the week are 44.3, again down for that. Subscribers 9, down for that. And that was the weekly. The 365 as of today, like right now, 58,644 views, 2,718 and a half watch hours, 655 subscribers. That's crazy. So with those watch hours, I'm at like 91% of the tier 1. So if you're unaware, there are 2 tiers to YouTube monetization. The first tier is 500 subscribers with 3,000 watch hours within 365 days. The second tier, which is everyone who has a channel who's trying to grow it, that's what they're striving for, is that second tier, which is 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch hours within 365 days. So hopefully at this rate, I'll be able to get there fairly soon. Let's just go through the rest of this and then we'll get into the analytics. Video plan, still staying on track. I've got a couple of cutting boards batched out that I'm going to finish recording and show the ease of batching cutting boards together. I will also be working on a repair for my table saw, which I already have videoed and recorded. So depending on how far I get this weekend on my other videos, we'll see where that lands on the batched out schedule. And I'm also going to do some more how-to videos on using light burn to create Christmas ornaments and Christmas decor because I have a craft fair coming up in November and I need product. And my last how-to video on light burn did very well. So the revenue for the week. So YouTube not monetized, 0. Etsy, I did have a chat this week with another YouTuber that has Etsy, and he gave me some great suggestions on things I should change on my Etsy shop, ways to track other people on Etsy. So a big shout out to Colin at Willow Tree Woodworking. He was great. He took a couple hours one night this past week, and we were able to chat and really go over some things that he thinks maybe small changes that will improve my listings and possibly my videos too. So we'll see if that pans out, and we'll start working on that this weekend as well. The website, I have not had any sales. However, I did have a how-to video where I offered a free design. The only caveat was if you wanted the free design, you did have to register for my site, and in registering I was able to capture their email addresses. So when I do have more files out there, I'm hoping I can get an email list together and then just start emailing them saying, hey, I've got some digital designs. If you're interested, they'll be like $1 or $2. Now I'm not going to go crazy. Colts 3D, 0. Amazon affiliate, again, 0 because they only pay out once a month, so I should be seeing a payment next week. I don't believe it's going to be high. However, I did join the creator aspect on Amazon affiliates, so I was able to partner with a sandpaper company. So they sent me some sandpaper pads for my oscillating sander, which I will be featuring in my cutting board video, and super glue. I partnered with super glue on the super glue gel that was in my how-to. So the more affiliate links off of that I put out, the more percentage that I'll get back on that affiliate if anyone clicks on the link and purchases through that link. So if you need super glue, please watch the video, click on the link, and then purchase that way through Amazon. So people saw the cutting boards in the back of my videos on YouTube for some other videos, and they're like, well, what are those? I was like, well, I'm going to be building that for the upcoming craft show. And they were like, well, are they available? I want to buy one now. So I sold one of those before it's even done, so I really need to finish those up this weekend. So I made $100 off of that. And 2 days ago during the hurricane on Thursday, I went live. I did my first live. I had no idea what I was doing. So if you did tune into that, I do appreciate your patience. I was working on a laser file for a snowflake, a very intricate snowflake, just trying to see if I could do it. And somebody saw that photo and that video, and they purchased the ornament. So including shipping, I charged them $20 because it's a friend of a friend of a friend. So had to give them a discount. So I made $120 this month. So with that and the expenses, I am sitting at $215 earned off of this YouTube hobby. Purchase wish list has not changed much. The microphone I already have, so I can delete that off the list. The back diskless CD, or the diskless backup with the 18 tetrabyte hard drive, I am finding that the more videos that I record, the less space that I have. Most recently, I purchased this little jump drive, which hooks right into your computer and my iPhone. So I was able to transfer files very easy. I was struggling before with Dropbox and AirDrop and all that kind of stuff, and they always time out or it doesn't work. But this is a direct transfer, and I like this. But this is only as large as the memory on my phone. So this is 128 gigabytes. This is going to fill up very quickly. So it would be nice if I can get that additional storage. But once I start making some money, the first thing I think I'm going to purchase is a Mac Mini. I need a new computer. I am struggling. I have right now just this HP laptop that I got off Amazon for a couple $100. This is not strong enough to run my editing or my screen recording or anything like that. So it makes it difficult. And that's one thing that I really am struggling with, is getting the technology to do what I want it to do for my budget. So that would be the first purchase, would be the Mac Mini. And that is that. So let's go dive right into the analytics. So as for, let's see, for the past 28 days, 93 subscribers, but this is what I really want to show you, is the last 7 days, 3,600 views, 219.3 watch hours, and 59 subscribers. I thank every single one of you who have subscribed. And it is really this one video that has been the driving force for my increase in views. And this is something that, usually my thumbnails are a little crowded. Everybody kept saying use less words. And then I was like, okay, fine, I'm going to use less words. I'm going to use 2 words. Make this, and a big picture of the item you're going to make. And it seems to be doing very well. The reach, it's been pushed out, I think, 29,000 times. 5.2% click-through rate. 2,000 views, 427 unique views. I don't really know much about all of these analytics. If you're interested in learning more about these, or how to read them or do the advanced modes and stuff, I do suggest that you check out Ty Myers. He's got a channel out here. He is giving out great advice every week. Well, that is the exciting news for this week. I am sorry about the video being delayed, but I will get to editing it right now, and hopefully I will have this posted shortly. I am Steve. This is my monetization journey. Do not fear, on Monday or Tuesday, I will be posting a woodworking video. So that is my plan, and my schedule should be Mondays or Tuesdays, woodworking videos, and hopefully Fridays, monetization journey. And then in between scattered will be a slew of various shorts, because usually I take the long form videos and I cut those down into shorts. And I think I enjoyed the stream. Somebody recommended StreamYard, Stream Deck, something like that. Some software for doing streaming that may make it a little easier, so I got to have to research that. And I might set up a stream in the near future because it was easy and it was fun. So I'm Steve. I do appreciate you sticking through to the end. If you like what you see, don't subscribe. I'd much rather you check out either one of these videos. I'm going to put my most recent video over here and then a playlist over here. Watch some of these videos. Once you watch like one or two videos, if you like what you see, then subscribe, and I would love for you to come along with me on this journey as I try to monetize my channel. All right, that's it for me. I appreciate it. Thank you, and see you next time. Well, that is the exciting news for this week. I am sorry about the video being delayed, but I will get to editing it right now, and hopefully I will have this posted shortly. I am Steve. This is my monetization journey. Do not fear, on Monday or Tuesday, I will be posting a woodworking video. So that is my plan, and my schedule should be Mondays or Tuesdays, woodworking videos, and hopefully Fridays, monetization journey. And then in between scattered will be a slew of various shorts, because usually I take the long form videos and I cut those down into shorts. And I think I enjoyed the stream. Somebody recommended StreamYard, Stream Deck, something like that. Some software for doing streaming that may make it a little easier, so I got to have to research that. And I might set up a stream in the near future because it was easy and it was fun. So I'm Steve. I do appreciate you sticking through to the end. If you like what you see, don't subscribe. I'd much rather you check out either one of these videos. I'm going to put my most recent video over here and then a playlist over here. Watch some of these videos. Once you watch like one or two videos, if you like what you see, then subscribe, and I would love for you to come along with me on this journey as I try to monetize my channel. All right, that's it for me. I appreciate it. Thank you, and see you next time. All right, now I gotta post some of my reaction photos.